This question is an interest problem with a little twist. Well, as usual, let's start out by writing down information as we come to it. So we're told that we're investing $8,000. That is a principal amount to the beginning of an investment. The term is 30 months. But remember, when we're using our interest formulas, we always consider the time to be in years. So we're going to want to write 30 months as years. There's 24 months in 2 years and then another 6 to get us to 30. That tells me that 30 months is 2.5 years. And I'm told that we've got $1,000 in simple interest. That's I. And the little twist here is that we're not calculating the interest. We're asked to find the rate. Well, I'm still going to use my simple interest formula, I equals P times R times T. And just by using the information that I'm given, it's going to sort of guide me into what I need to do to answer the question. I know that I is 1,000. I know that P is 8,000. I don't have a value for R, and I know that T is 2.5. So even if they hadn't asked me to find the rate, I'd look at this and I say, well, the only thing that I don't know in my equation is R, which is the rate, so that's what I can find. And fortunately, that's just what they asked me to do. So ultimately, this becomes a question about solving an equation. We need to solve for the variable R. Well, because R is multiplied by both 8,000 and 2.5, the way we would solve for R is to divide both sides of the equation by 8,000 times 2.5. Making my solution 1,000 divided by 8,000 times 2.5. And as always, pulling out the trusty calculator, this works out to be exactly 0.05. So I've solved the equation and found that R is 0.05. I was asked for the rate, and the way we always describe interest rates is in terms of percentages. So a good answer to this question would be the rate is 5% because that's the percent form of the decimal 0.05 that we solved for.